Number 9, you want to write 3/10 as a decimal. One thing to note, if you're dividing by powers of 10, so you can just think of it like this: 3 divided by 10. So dividing by powers of 10, there's a decimal at the end. You move the decimal over one time, this number will become 1. So this will be 0.3 divided by 1. And anything divided by 1 is itself, so just 0.3. So anytime you're dividing by powers of 10, like 10, 100, 1,000, you just move the decimal over how many zeros, and you can do that to the other number. So we just get 0.3. If you need, you can divide that with a calculator as well. And it will also show you 0.3. Write this fraction as a decimal. So 33 over 40, or negative 33 over 40, you would have to divide, so there's no like moving the 0 over here. You would still have like 0.33 divided by 4. You have to do that math. So we'll just use the calculator on this one. So what you're going to do is 33, and then I'll have to do this sign to make it negative, and then divide by 40. And you get negative 0.825. And don't forget that negative is very important. So negative 0.825. Alright, number 11, we want to use the less than or greater than, whichever one makes this true. So if you have a hard time remembering these, just think about the letter L. L stands for less than, and the one that looks closest to that is that one. And then if you remember that one, you know by default the other one, this one is going to be greater than, on the opposite direction. So we want to know is 4, what is that compared to negative 4? Well, positive 4 is bigger than negative 4, so we want to put the greater than symbol. Going from left to right, that's the way you want to read inequality, going from left to right. So we want the greater than symbol. When you click in the box, you get this pop up. So and then also we want to compare these two. Negative 18 compared to negative 6. Now, we all frequently, I guess, get mixed up with these because you look at this number and say, okay, 18 is bigger than 6. But these are negative numbers, so they work in a reverse way. Would you rather have to pay someone $18 or would you have to pay 6? So say if you only got 20 bucks, if you have to pay 18, then you only have 2 left. If you have to pay 6, then you will have 14 left. So negative 18 will leave you with less money than negative 6. Same way if you think about the number line, the farther you get from 0, just pretend I've gone out 6 marks. And you keep going further, this is negative 18, this is a smaller number. So when you think about negatives, the further you are away from 0, the smaller the number is, which is opposite in the positive sense. So anyway, this number, negative 18, is less than negative 6. So you want the less than symbol here.